How to fix Snap not loading on Snapchat. So if you've been trying to open up a certain snap on Snapchat, but you're failing to open up that particular snap, it could be due to many reasons. First of all, you want to make sure it's not the issue with your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. You can also try to close the Snapchat application and then go ahead and then reopen it again to see if that helps you. If you're using Android, you might fancy trying to clear the cache files of the app. Long press on the Snapchat app icon, tap on the eye icon to come to app info, which will be available for any Android device. From there, you can scroll down to storage, clear the cache files, and make sure to clear the data. And after that, go to your Play Store or App Store, check if the app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.